Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerush Couture TV. I'm already hungry and I only just started. This is the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy in monogram. I'm giving it away. When my Instagram reaches 200,000 followers, I'm giving this guy away on YouTube and on Instagram. I've been getting questions about it. The marker is 200k on Instagram and then I'm giving it away on all platforms. So if you haven't followed me, I suggest you do. The handle is always linked below. Go tell your friends to follow me. I would like to thank today's video sponsor and video package, of course, is Samorga. I am here to reveal to you guys the Louis Vuitton giveaway that I'm doing in partnership with Samorga. To you guys, Samorga will choose it off their Instagram. They will choose the winner, but what you will win is right here in this bag. I am so excited to tell you. Maybe it's a bit of a giveaway, but you will win this Samorga pack, which includes 4 of their chains, which is their new addition to their collection. Pearl chains, gold chains, long rope chains that you can interchange on your bags. I did show you that in my last video. You will win, if you can see it there, I don't want to open the pack, a Samorga organizer with the D-rings on either side to attach your chain that will be going on this very hard to get item from Louis Vuitton. We are giving away, oh my god, how cute, it's in a little dust bag as well. Oh, that is so cute. I hope they change all their dust bags to little drawstrings. This is so hard to get your hands on. So gorgeous. The Toiletry 15 from Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas is what we will be giving away from Samorga and me. It is so gorgeous, and that organizer fits inside here and you can use it as a little handbag. You can crossbody it with the longer strap, which makes it so incredibly versatile. This of course has the wipeable lining, and plus, you know what? These are so hard to find. So we are giving this away on my Samorga package, my sponsored partnership with them. I truly back this company, and I'm not just saying that. I have since the beginning. They are the original felt organizers out of Korea. There are quite a few copycat companies. I'm not going to get into it, but they are the original felt organizers out of Korea, have now started their bag chain line. The way you can enter this giveaway is subscribing to my YouTube channel right below, liking this video, giving us a thumbs up, heading over to our Instagrams and following my Instagram and Samorga's Instagram and commenting on the post of this giveaway and you're entered. I truthfully want to thank Samorga. I think they are a brilliant company, and how incredibly generous that you can win this entire pack, a piece of Louis Vuitton and their straps and organizer. I wanted to get that out of the way first because I'm sure you guys wanted to see that. This is going to take a little while. I am actually probably going to be quite embarrassed. I have been going back and forward to our office. I have been visiting tech shops like JB Hi-Fi to try and fix my Sony G7X. I have just been shoving and shoving and shoving in this Louis Vuitton Palm Springs PM in the reverse. This has been a complete hunt. If you follow my channel and follow my videos, you know that. I have had 2 massive fails getting this bag, and I've wanted it for so long because yes, I love the minis. They're so versatile to crossbody, but I wanted just a mum bag, something I didn't have to particularly worry about that much. Fit so much, especially with my 2 little ones, and just throw it on my back, and I have fallen head over heels. Firstly, this tab on the front is useful. Doubt after a long time is to pull the pocket out. I keep it unzipped, but on the PM and the MM, this front pocket is actually accessible. I keep my car key in the front of this pocket. You have the 2 zipper closure, which is so great. I love it because I can leave one down and just maneuver the other. This is also my first impressions of using this. Even though I've had this backpack before, just using it on the daily for as long as I have, different things I've found about it. I am going to say, use the tabs. Okay, these 2 tabs on the side are to pull against to close your zipper and to open your zipper. Alright, that's the first impression. This tab at the front is to pull out, to access things in your front pocket. Your front pocket is still got the covering return flap, but it is easy to access, unlike the original zipper that was covered. First impressions on the exposed zipper. I think you guys know how I feel about it if you follow my videos. It is a game changer. If you have the older version, I've said this, I feel like I just want to purchase the new version for you because it's a game changer. You don't have to worry. It's not going against the canvas and it's so smooth. First impressions on the handles, yes, you know, they still are that kind of like alien-like puffiness and sort of they obstruct the design a little bit. I do wish that it was like the Campus backpack in more of a webbing style. However, they are so comfortable. I feel you do have to sort of break them in and mold them to your shoulders. Work out your setting. On the back you have the 7 holes that you can adjust the setting to, which is great if you're a tallie like me, or if you're shorty, you might want it closer. I want it closer because I don't want it hanging down the back of my back. That's not a mum vibe, and I'm not that cool to be able to rock it like that. The absolute winning feature for first impressions is this top handle. Okay, a backpack with the grab and go top handle. You can just carry it like this, like a purse. It's so pretty, you pretty much can just carry it like that instead of a backpack if you wish. Let's go on and head inside. It's disgraceful, honestly. Here is my iPhone 8 Plus with my Fierce Mama silicone case on it. Here is my G7X flip up LCD screen. It is it's kind of broken off, so I actually need to take it into Canon and send it back. It is a complete mess in here. I have a fashion file. I have a pack of tissues. I have my sunnies, which are my Gucci's, and they're just stuck down the side in the little baggie. And these are my Stars and GG. Let's put them on. Bam, of course. A folded tissue, it's not used. This is bad to show you, but I needed to go into the RMS or RTA or DNV here in Australia. But this houses all of my like extra points cards, passport receipts, and any paper that's needed for any identification. It's got all my old driver's license in it, and this is my Jerusha pouch. I, on the daily, get asked if I am going to redo these. They are a double zip pouch in full calf leather with a little detachable wrist strap. It is my line. I'm very proud of them. I was planning to go back into production in 2020, but hello, Miss COVID. Moving on from that, well, I'll just show you the back pocket. It's so embarrassing. So this is all in the back pocket. You can see my hand going in. It is quite a generous and deep pocket. It goes all the way down the back of the entire backpack. In here I have a $2 coin, I have a tenner, I have a shopping list which has milk, bananas and water. I have another folded tissue, I have a hair tie, I have another hair tie. As I say, if I don't have a hair tie and I need one, you don't want to know me at the time I can't find one. For my wallet, inside is my beautiful zippy coin purse from Louis Vuitton. This was gifted to me from my beautiful subby and luxe YouTuber Monique, my Emerald Queen, who I had the chance to meet over in San Diego. My mask, one of my masks. I have wired earphones because I could not find my AirPods and I needed to have them to take calls like 100%. My mini pochette, which is quite stuffed. We will see what is going on in here. I have my hand sanitizer. I have Nurofen, ibuprofen. I have my Dior lip maximizer. This was so funny. Nanny Mel, if you follow my channel, needed lip gloss or like just needed lip balm, and I only had this, and it was so funny because the tingling effect, because it is a lip plumper. She was like, what's happening to my lips? I have my double facets mirror from Chanel. I need a new one. Actually, I should totally do a giveaway with these. These are fantastic and they're so slim and they fit inside your mini pochette perfectly. I have a lightning cable. I think that came together with my earphones when I needed extra. I have receipts For stockists, I have another mask and I have a sample of Louis Vuitton Rose de Vent. Okay, if there's anything I can tell you, do not put perfume inside your luxury goods open. I am going against this rule because you're gonna make your items smell like perfume. And if you do ever want to resell them down the track, when you read the condition and it says interior perfume odors, that is why. Okay, we're getting to the bottom. But as you can see, it's loose. I'm excited to tell you what I've done to the bottom whilst I'm waiting for my Samorga bag organizer. Here is my round coin purse full of coins. I can't stand change, so I always have to have a coin purse with me or I just donate it to the tip jar or charity. Here are my wireless earbuds from Apple, which I lost for a good 2 weeks. There is my JB Hi-Fi return to try and fix my Canon. And oh, I also have a lightning wall cable. That's good. I have an entire Apple store in this backpack. I also have my lip glow from Dior. Oh, I could have given that to Nanny Mel. This is amazing. If you're out and you just need like a little bit of ding on your lips, like a little bit of color and gloss, listen, pick this up honestly because it's really nourishing. Like it makes your lips feel so nice and it's got a little bit of color to it. Lastly, I think, is my 4 keyring from Louis Vuitton in monogram. I tell you all the time, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my 6 key because I can't change out of this. It is so compact. If you wear a lot of mini bags, I suggest this. On the bottom, while I wait for my Samorga bag organizer, is the dust bag to this backpack. I have folded it up. I wanted, not that the base goes out of shape or sags, I just didn't want like crumbs or dust on the bottom of this bag straight away. I was a little paranoid. I want to get a black Samorga for it. I just thought I'll place the dust bag on the bottom, really shove it down hard and kind of use that as like a base, a weight as well, because I really like to break in these bags. That is a lot of crap. That is it. Truth, hand on heart, that is all the crap that I had in this backpack over the last 2.5 weeks. I have not changed out. I have just been loading and loading and loading, and that is definitely my first impression. It holds a lot. I'm gonna say it's in between having too much space, like a Neverfull, where you feel like you've just kind of got to fill it, and a Speedy 25 where it's a black hole and the compartment's narrow. It's in between that kind of feeling where you can just shove and big objects, you know what I mean? These aren't just small little tiny items that you can shove. It's a really good space bag. So that is it, guys. Please go ahead and enter our giveaway. I will leave all the details below, but thank you so much to Samorga for this amazing 3-part package of a sponsorship. I love partnering with them. Again, I have a 20% off code at checkout. It is always linked below for you guys. So many of you have reached out and said you've used it and you love your organizers. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because when I reach 200,000 followers, I'm giving this guy away. If you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to enter the giveaway, please smash the like button. If you are a silent watcher out there, that's cool. No worries, girl. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to comment. But if you smash the like button, it just shows YouTube that we're in good standing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you want to enter our giveaways, please go ahead and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that, guys. I hope everybody is doing well out there and staying safe. All my love. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.